Okay, so it is failing. I understood why it is failing because we need to convert it the whole number to the long. We have the integer. We will convert it to the long to stop the overflow. Now let's run it. Now let's submit it. It got accepted. The time complexity is big of n square. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe it. Hello everyone. So this is the LeetCode problem number 18 for some. Given an array nums of n integers, return an array of all the unique quadruplets where nums of a, nums of b, nums of c, nums of d such that a is less than or equal to a, 0 is less than or equal to a, b, c, d is less than n, and second condition is like a, b, c, and d are distinct. And third condition is like nums of a, nums of b, nums of c, nums of d should be is equal to target. You may return the answer in any order. So let's discuss about the problem. So the two conditions are a, b, and c. The first, two conditions are like a, b, c, and d should be distinct. The second condition is like nums of a, nums of b, nums of d should be is equal to target. Now how to solve this? The first brute force approach is like using the for loops. Using the for loops, where the time complexity would be big of n raised to 4. So to optimize it, we will use the two pointer method. Now how to use the two pointer method? We will just fix the two variable. Let's assume we have the area of elements 1 0 minus 1 0 minus 2 2, where we have fixed the elements I and j as 1 and 0, and the remaining two we will iterate it. Let's assume this p is left and q is right. So to do the two pointer method, we need to have the sorted array first. So we will sort the array, and to get the unique number, so uh, because there is a condition where a, b, c, d and should be distinct, we will use the headset because headset shows the unique values. So headset should be like headset of string, where we will for each sum, we will just for each element we will just if we get the sum is equal to target, we will just store the all the elements in the headset of string, and we will just compare it. If it contains uh, we will not store it. If it doesn't contain, we will store it. So to store it, we will just build first the string builder, then store it as a string in the headset. Then after we are getting it, after we get the four elements, we will just change the condition. We are left would move forward, and right would decrement it by 1. So the condition is like if we don't meet the four elements, like there are two condition. If the sum is less than target, then we would do the left plus plus, or else right minus minus. The time complexity would come to the big O of big O of n square, because we are using the two for loops here. We have reduced the time complexity from big O of raised to n4 to big O of n square. So let's do the coding now. So let's see the code. Here we have defined the list of integer, and the variable name is result. The first step is sort the number, and we are creating the head set. So we are running the first loop till we are going till n minus n nums of length, till we are going uh, we are iterating till nums of length minus 3 less than if it is less than then we are running the second for loop where we are starting from the I plus 1, and we are running till nums of nums dot length minus 2 minus 1. So we are iterating from uh, left. We are making the left j plus 1, and we are making the right nums dot till the last of the array. So we are running the while loop we are iterating from the uh, iterating where the condition is li should be less than ri, and we are getting the sum first. Then we are checking if it is less than or equal to or greater than sum. If it is less than sum, then we are incrementing the li. If it is greater than sum, greater than the target, we are decrementing the ri. If we found the target, then we are creating the stream builder here. Then we are appending all the four elements, and then we are creating the string, and we are storing the uh, string builder appended elements to the string. Then we are checking if the if it contains code or not. If it doesn't contains code, then we are adding it to the hash map. Then we are then uh, after checking that condition, we are storing the result in the result variable. Then we are incrementing li and decrementing the ri. Now let's check the if it is running successfully or not. So it got accepted. Now let's submit it and see if it will work or not. Okay, there is some problem there. We are not getting. Okay, we need to make the sum as long. Now let's do it. We are getting some error. So where is the error? Need to find it. We are first creating the list of integer, then we are sorting it, then we are creating the set, then we are running the for loops, mm, then iterating li and ri, then running the while loop. Here we are storing the sum. Then we are checking the condition. Then if we got the final target, we are storing in the string builder, appending a string boolean and creating the string. Then if it checking in the hash map, and then if it doesn't contain, we are adding it to the result and increment and incrementing. It should run. It is not running. Expected expected is without expected is the Okay, so it is failing. I understood why it is failing, because we need to convert it the whole number to the long. We have the integer. We will convert it to the long to stop the overflow. Now let's run it. Now let's submit it. It got accepted. The time complexity is big of n square. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe it.